She's like curling around his dick.
Bacon, you're too much. Huh? Sino ma? Ito.
Cheers.
Shiro?
Now she's in front of me. I know. Hi. Sit, please.
There you go. You sit down.
Sit. Okay, good. Bacon, you tired?
Ano? Karot mo kasi eh.
She has a long leg.
She's so habo.
It's like a small. I know, she's bothering you.
She's bothering you. Wala na. Calm down. Ningal na.
You can see the
Calm.
She was like mine.
Calm. Pag tumataba ng konti to. Tumataba ng konti to. Shiro, I have a baby. Eh? I have a baby. May pala to babalik sa, nagbibigay naman pala ng notice yung